Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you what I get in my Ipsy August 2021 bag. Now this is the first one I ever got, so let's take a look and see what I got. Let's see, I got this, I guess, faux alligator skin bag. I guess kind of like a clutch. If I can get this open. There you go. I got it open. Now let's see. Here's your card. So many giveaways. It's your turn to win. I guess this is a Wanderlust thing. It's your turn to win. My turn to win. And I guess this is all what I got in my bag. Sorry, my son is... Now let's see. I got this Pixie. It's a face blush. It's in Ginger Blossom. It's like in this little thing. It's a Ginger Blossom. Alright, it's not really like... It's kind of like that. It's kind of weird. I've never seen it in like a kind of like this thing before. Let's see. Go right here and get the next one. I get this sparkling liquid eyeshadow something by The Balm. It really doesn't say. There you go. It's Balm. Let's see. I got Define Me something Isabella. It's a perfume. Yeah, there's what it comes in. It really doesn't smell that bad. It smells kind of good. Let's see what the next one I got. I got this mattifying liquid lip by Me to You NYC. The color Soap. It's kind of like matte, it says. Crap. And I got this Beauty For Real gel eyeliner in olive. Kind of like a green. Well, olive is green. And yeah, that's all what I got. No specials, no extra stuff. I mean, it's really okay. It's my first one. I can't only... And I can fold it one time. I'm not sure if I can fold it again. But yeah, this is all what I got in my Ipsy. The regular Ipsy that was $12. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. No like free item or anything like that. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I know I only got 21 subscribers. I'm trying to grow my channel. Well, I'll see you next time. Take care. Peace.